Hello and welcome back to day 21 of Christmas Planning Made Easy. Hello, I'm Jane from Practically Perfect Mums, and today it's all about checking through everything, making sure nothing slipped through the cracks so that we can enjoy making some fun, festive memories without worrying about nagging doubts about things we might have forgotten. So what I want to do is get the folder out, or the notebook or your computer or wherever you've got all your information down about what you need to do over Christmas, and just check through present lists, the meal planning, errands, your prescriptions, anything that you needed to sort out before Christmas comes, and let's just double check through there, make sure that we've done all the sort of last minute bits and pieces that need doing. And then when we've done that, I would like to just make sure that I spend some time with my children making memories, enjoying the Christmas season, because that's what all this planning has been about, trying to actually do some fun, enjoyable things with the kids. So if you'd like to join me on this mission, then why don't we check through these lists, make sure we've done what we need to do, make sure that our wrapping is done, and when we're happy that we've done the basics, let's challenge ourselves to do something fun for ourselves, with our kids, go see some Christmas lights, watch a film together, do some baking, just do something nice to make some memories, because that's what Christmas is all about, right? So I hope you join me on this challenge, and I look forward to seeing you revived and having made memories in the next video. Bye.